Feta cheese is a type of cheese that is made from sheep's or goat's milk and has a tangy and salty flavor. It is often used in Mediterranean dishes, salads, and sandwiches. But is it a good choice for people with diabetes? The answer is, it depends. Feta cheese has some benefits and some risk for people with diabetes, and the key is to enjoy it in moderation and as a part of a balanced diet. Let's start with the benefits. Feta cheese is generally low in carbs and not likely to affect blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. It also provides protein, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12, which are important for bone health, muscle function, and blood cell production. Feta cheese also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can improve digestive health and immunity. Some studies have also suggested that feta cheese may contain conjugated linoleic acid, a fatty acid that may help reduce body fat and improve body composition. However, feta cheese also has some drawbacks that need to be considered. One of them is its high sodium content. Feta cheese can have up to 400 milligrams of sodium per ounce, which is about 17% of the recommended daily intake. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke, which are common complications of diabetes. Therefore, people with diabetes should limit their intake of feta cheese and other salty foods. Another drawback of feta cheese is its saturated fat content. Feta cheese has about 4 grams of saturated fat per ounce, which is about 20% of the recommended daily limit. Saturated fat can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke as well. Therefore, people with diabetes should choose low-fat or fat-free versions of feta cheese and other dairy products. So what is the verdict? Is feta cheese good for diabetics? The answer is yes, but only in small amounts and as part of a healthy eating plan. Feta cheese can provide some nutrients and flavor to your meals, but it can also be high in sodium and saturated fat, which can harm your health if you consume too much. Therefore, you should limit your portion size to no more than 1 ounce per day and pair it with foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. This way you can enjoy the benefits of feta cheese without compromising your blood sugar control or your heart health. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on diabetes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.